What's happening, folks? I am headed to Bob's Garden Center. It's near me in New Jersey. I'm just going to see what they got. It is very slow season. I don't think they'll have a lot of plants, but we'll check them out and see what they got. One thing I did miss is these hanging plants. I'm looking down and they have like a ton of hanging plants, and I'm looking at this guy, and he might be coming home with me also. This is another cactus. Once again, I don't want to get hurt. It doesn't hurt really. It's not that bad actually. Oh, they're not bad at all. How much is this? $11.99. Cactuses. I like the cactus. I just don't want to get. I don't want to get hurt messing with plants. Sorry, I'm not a big cactus fan. I don't like pain. That euphorbia is 40. That's pretty cool. I just ordered this. The Madagascar Palm, and I'm actually getting it for 10 bucks. I'm getting a baby pup. This one already has like 2 pups, so I could probably get this and split it and make some money off and make my money right back. Just kind of catches my eye. It's an angel basket. I'm not sure what this is. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Stunning. It's coming home with me. This one catches my eye. It's definitely coming home. More plants. I think I got a good group. I got it. They'll have like 2 plants there, so I'm gonna divide them and try to sell them. Oh, I gotta get some soil. Oh, are they out of Happy Frog? What happened? What happened to Happy Frog? Oh, so I don't know why they don't have Happy Frog. Wait, was the seed starter? Fertilizer here? Oh man, $12.99. No Happy Frog. Sucks. I'm gonna have to wait on that and see where we can get some more. So this is my babies we got here. I gotta get them out the cold because I don't want them to get too cold with this air, but these are the new guys I got. Well, it's winter and the air is a little drier, so I don't know what the humidity level of the air is right now. I should have tested that. But I'm thinking now the store associate has got me kind of scared because I don't want to lose any of these plants to the cold air. But it's not going to hurt them. I'm actually probably 20 minutes away from the nursery that I was just at, so they'll be all right. And they're speaking to me. But now I'm thinking to myself, where am I going to put under a grow light? That's where.
Very So, just got home. I was listening to Joy's Garden about the ZZ plant. Definitely doesn't like water. It's a low light plant, does not like indirect sun. So that's how I usually do most of my research YouTube from these excellent gardeners. After I buy the plant, you know, because first it attracts me. I don't know anything about it, and then I have to do the research, and then, like I said, you have to find out where it came from, what type of soil it was, you know, original to, and there it is: sun, soil, and humidity, and watering. All right, I'm back. Got some goodies. I had to wait a day because the day was crazy. I was looking at one of the plants that I got from the nursery, and it has mealybugs, and I did not check it, so that was a fault of mine, which I will definitely do next time. Folks, check your plants out. I guess if you do, you do, but just a reminder before you buy a plant, just check them for anything, because they look like I didn't. The quality of the plant was so great. I'm thinking while I'm transporting the plant from the nursery to my house, the mealybugs probably jumped on the other plants because they were all grouped together in the back of the car. So not happy about that. I got neem oil, and I was like, I don't want to smell it inside my house because now it's cold outside. So if I put the staghorn fern outside, it's definitely going to die. I was thinking about taking it back, but don't really want to do that because I love the plant. And I already sprayed it already. I'm just talking out loud. So the neem oil solution with the soap solution actually take care of the mealybugs. It's in a secluded place in my house where it can't get to any other plants. I think they fly around. I'm pretty much sure they fly around. So if you see white flies flying around your plants, that's most likely mealybugs, and I'm not happy about that at all. I'm really down about that because staghorn fern looks great, and then I got all these other great plants that I'm ready to show you right now. First up, this is the Moonlight Sansevieria. You can see it has a stripe pattern. You can kind of see it blended in, but it's not like this plant. You can see the markings are different. It's a different cultivar. There's a difference. And this is also Sansevieria cylindrica. But yeah, this is the Moonlight. I looked at this and I said, I gotta have it. I'll probably be dividing it soon, but it just looks stunning in a group. Kind of upset about that, but all in all, this looks good too. I was also constantly checking to see if this guy has any mealybugs or anything I should be worrying about. And I already put it in this pot, but I'm not going to keep it in there. It's already still in a plastic pot. We bought a prayer plant. Is it called I think it is. Oh, it's from Brazil too. Yeah, it's Maranta, red Maranta. I believe the leaves curl up. I didn't see them curl up yesterday, but low light. And this is also a sort of calathea, and it does like to be on the wet side. It likes a lot of humidity, which we already got that going on with the humidifier. And once again, the clumping of the plants. I don't know if my leaves, I don't know if I transported it and it's causing it to bend down, but hopefully it flares out and looks a little better than that. And this is a low light plant, I believe. Yes, it likes low light. So we're gonna keep it away from the grow light. And it's also from Brazil, which is nice. Brazil, Viva Brazil. Shout out to everybody in Brazil. Dark Mystery. They said this is good for terrariums, likes high humidity, and it's a low light plant. And it's from Ecuador. Hope everybody's okay in Ecuador. I heard a lot of things are going on. Hopefully everything's all right. I believe the soil requirements are the same. Keep it moist on the moist side, because it's probably a low light plant because it grows under the understory of other plants, so the light doesn't get to it. And then also the leaves that the higher trees drop keep the soil moist. Thus, this is where it thrives. And so this is probably where it thrives, under leaves in Ecuador in a rainforest somewhere. That's the Dark Mystery. I want to choose a nice pot for it. This is my ZZ plant that I have been eyeing. I have not bought one. Somehow, some way, I didn't get one until now. This is also a low light plant. It does not like to be watered heavily, and you will see differences if the leaves start to turn yellow. Then that means that you're overwatering it. I forgot what if you're underwatering it, which you'll see. Next, we got pretty big. You see my big head. You can see that this thing is really big. I did play around with, this is a Madagascar Palm, by the way. It likes high light, well-draining soil, and it doesn't like to be watered a lot. Because obviously in Madagascar, I don't know what it's like in Madagascar, but I'm almost positive it's a rainforest type of thing. I'm sure they have some desert areas, but well-draining soil, and it doesn't like to be watered. High light. So if it likes high light, it's not in, I don't think it grows that tall. I think it probably could go, I heard it can go pretty tall actually, probably higher than 6 foot. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But if it does, and you think about it, and it likes high light, you probably would think that it will be in a desert area in Madagascar, and it's a palm tree. So that's probably where it thrives, in that area, and probably only grows there. That's probably the only place where it grows. But now it's growing in my house. But you can see the thorns. I really don't like messing with plants like this, but something about it caught my eye, so I've been looking at them, and actually I have 2 pups here, and then one of the main. It kind of looks cool with the 3. Maybe it'll look better with 2, I'm not sure. But it looks stunning, and I don't see any mealybug damage at all. But I want to have a tough time moving this thing around, so I'm probably going to keep it in the same pot that it is in and drop it in a pot, because I don't want to mess with this at all. Well, that's about it. That's all I got for right now. That was a quick little haul. I'm excited about these plants. I can't wait to take pictures of them and show them on Instagram at Gerard's_horticulture_culture. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And what do you think about the new plants? I know they're for more advanced growers. They're not cheap at all. The Madagascar Palm was 40 bucks. But that's my plant haul. Everybody, thanks for watching. Comment below. Tell me what you think about the plants. And please subscribe.